Hello everyone, in this video let us talk about how to stay up to date with the latest Atlassian news. In case you are new to Atlassian tools, maybe you are a Jira administrator, or maybe you are a Jira user, or maybe you just started using Bitbucket. It could be any Atlassian tool, but I am basically talking about in this video about the topic of how to stay up to date with all the latest things that are happening with these Atlassian tools. We all know that Jira is a great tool. You can customize it, you can install plenty of apps or add-ons. If you go to the marketplace right now, you will probably find thousands of apps that can potentially bring in new features. And for a new Jira administrator, apart from just learning how to work on Jira, how to customize Jira, how to integrate Jira and other Atlassian tools, you also have to learn about various apps. And it can be quite challenging in the beginning. It can be a bit overwhelming to just stay up to date with whatever is happening. So just like any other skills, working on Atlassian tools, working on Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket, Bamboo, these are all skills nowadays. And if you are supposed to do this activity as part of your daily job, maybe you are a consultant, maybe you are an administrator, maybe you are a user, maybe you are a project manager, you need to know at least from time to time what is new in Atlassian. So in this video, I want to talk about different ways to stay up to date. So these things are also relevant for me because I also do it. Although working on Atlassian tools is part of my daily job, I'm an Atlassian consultant and this is what I do every day. But just like any other tool, just like any other skill, you need to constantly update yourself. You need to learn new things. So let us start with a few tips that I can probably give you. So tip number one is always go to the marketplace from time to time, maybe once in a month or maybe every week, and look for different apps or new add-ons that are being released. So what I usually do, I go to the marketplace and I try and install those apps, those new apps, and I just evaluate them. And usually I also create a video whenever I can. So this is really interesting because I learn about different apps that can do things for you in different Atlassian tools, and it is a great way of always staying up to date. The second thing that I also do is I go to the most popular Atlassian partners or vendors. So if you go to, maybe you can just do a Google search Atlassian partners, you will reach a place, you will reach a page where you can filter all the partners based on the region, based on countries. So just look for the top 3 or top 4 or maybe top 5 partners or vendors and subscribe to their blog, or maybe just start following their Twitter handle. Look for various events that they organize, and this is really important because most of these vendors, they also create and develop apps. So even if you just follow their blog, you will learn new things because these vendors, they always try to stay on top. They want a good SEO ranking, and they keep on updating their blog from time to time. So if we look at the websites of these vendors, they will definitely post something every other day. And even if you just follow them, maybe their blog, their Twitter, their social accounts, I'm not saying that you read each and every blog of theirs like line by line. Just keep an eye on them, and whenever there is something interesting, read it. and this is also I do a lot. The third tip is that look for those popular apps in the market. For example, for time tracking, we have a very popular app called Tempo. For doing asset management, you have Insight. For doing automation, you have, of course, Script Runner. Then you have apps for test management like X-Ray, Zephyr. So just look for the new versions or new releases on these apps. Go to their vendor website and keep an eye on those new releases. So even if you just keep an eye on whatever is happening, whatever new is happening, you will learn about different features that they are releasing. And this is really important because if you are, for example, a consultant, or maybe your main job is to just uh, provide some help with Atlassian tools, maybe you are a Jira administrator, you need to know about different apps and what all these apps can do, what all these apps can't do. If there is an app on server, maybe there's a new app on cloud. If there's an app on server, but on cloud the features are limited, but on the cloud version maybe there are few features that will probably come. So if you know these things, you will be able to guide your customers, or maybe you will be like a go-to man or woman in your organization whenever it comes to Atlassian skills. So these things are really important for someone who is into Atlassian, who is probably responsible for managing Atlassian instances in the company, because the knowledge, these up-to-date knowledge of things will really help you a lot. So this is all I wanted to share in this video, and I was thinking about this because a couple of people were actually asking me that there are so many things when it comes to tools like Jira, when it comes to tools like Confluence. Every day something new is happening. So these are some tips that I wanted to share in this video. I do have one more tip, one bonus tip, and that bonus tip is that subscribe to my channel if you want. If you want to stay up to date. I also try to make regular videos. In fact, I do make a video almost every day on, of course, Atlassian. And I am doing this because just like the tips that I shared in this particular video, I also follow these tips myself. I have to stay on top of whatever new is happening in Atlassian ecosystem. So I hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.